Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sync clips with audio in CapCut PC. Select like an audio and add it to your timeline. You're then going to select the match cut, like the mark beats. You can either select beats 1 or beats 2. I'll just select beats 1 for this one. Basically, zoom into it, and you're just going to add a lot of clips to the timeline. And here you're just going to crop it. Oops. You're going to crop it where the beats are. So like here, and then you're going to keep adding new like videos like here, new beat, and then remove that. And you're just going to do that to sync it with the audio, like a compilation, I guess. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.